Wow.
Cute! This plastic bag is firmly attached. I don't think it will pick up quickly. Let's check its quality. Nice work! We can use them anytime. So let's start to make it. We need a lighter, a pencil, a permanent marker, a plastic paper, scale. So let's start. 5 centimeters width, 15 centimeters length. This is medium size. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Six 6.5 centimeters width, 15 centimeters length. This is for large size. For centimeters width, 12 centimeters length. Thanks for watching.